How to forget Bluetooth device on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, tap on Bluetooth as shown. You are now in the Bluetooth settings page. From here, turn on the toggle switch for Bluetooth. You can view all your previously connected devices under the My Devices section. Now, find the device you want to forget and tap on the information icon beside it. On this page, you can manage the settings for this specific device. You will see the Forget This Device option at the very bottom of the screen. Tapping on it, a pop-up will appear asking for confirmation to unpair the device. Tap on Forget Device again to confirm your action. The device has now been successfully removed from your list of paired Bluetooth devices. Following these steps, you can easily forget a Bluetooth device on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.